problem where they're talking about a neighborhood carnival has a Ferris wheel whose radius is 30 feet. And you measure the time it takes for one revolution to be 70 seconds. And they want to know the linear speed, and they want that in feet per second. And then they want to know the angular speed in radians per second. So we're going to be finding two answers here. So let's first talk about this revolution. So we have one, whoops. So we have one revolution is 70 seconds. So if I'm going to have to find the angular speed, I'll start there. I know that one revolution is 2 pi radians. So I'm going to multiply this by 2 pi radians over one revolution. And when I take 2 pi radians times 1 and then divide it by 70 times 1, I end up with 0.0898. And this revolutions cancel out, and I'm left with radians per second, which is angular speed. Now, they asked about radians per second. So, hey, look, we've already answered the second question there. Our angular speed is that right there. All right, so now we have to convert this so that it's in terms of linear speed. Now remember, when we have linear speed, we take the radius times the angular speed, and that gives us our linear speed. So we're going to do that. So we're going to have V equals, well, my radius in this case is 30 feet. So 30 feet times, and then my angular speed, and that's in terms of radians per second. When I multiply that, I get 2.69 feet per second. And if I look back at my problem, it's asking in terms of feet per second, so I don't have to do any conversions there. So there's my linear speed in feet per second. Here's my angular speed in radians per second.